This video will start us on a new data type called set. So let's get to work and just create one set. Sets are created using curly braces. Let's create one set. I'm going to use example languages equal to, this example is from your handout, R, comma, Python, all right? And if I look at, as usual, type of languages, I'm going to get a set. So as you can see, sets are created by enclosing its members between two curly braces. Now that can be a little bit confusing because we also use curly braces to create a dictionary as well. As a reminder, this is just a reminder, all right? As a reminder, I'm going to give you an example. Dict underscore one, dictionary one is equal to, we use notation like this: A associated with 1, B is associated with 2. And if I look at type of dictionary 1, I'm going to get it's a dictionary, all right? Well, that can be a little bit confusing at the beginning because we are creating a set with curly braces and we are creating dictionary with curly braces. Well, if you look a little bit closer, you are going to notice that there's a very big difference between the way we create a set and a dictionary. When we create a dictionary, we are creating association. So I say A is associated with 1, B is associated with 2, and I separate these two pairs using a comma. And every pair has a colon between its keys and value. However, a dictionary is not like that. And a set is not like that. A set, even though it is enclosed between two curly braces, you just separate its members using a comma. There is no association there. All right, that's a big distinction between, and that's just a sign that to figure out what. If you have an object, then you can figure out if it's a set or if it's the dictionary just by visual inspection. All right, a set does not have association, does not have colon, but dictionary has that. I'm going to conclude this video by creating an empty set. All right. Very first idea that come to mind is, you know what? I can create an empty set by just two curly braces with nothing in between. Right. Let's do that. Empty underscore set is equal to this. All right. And let's check type of empty set, and it is going to say it's a dictionary. So that could be a little bit tricky. All right. Why? Well, here's what happens. We create dictionaries with curly braces and we create sets with curly braces. When we put two curly braces together, it has to be either a set or dictionary. In case of Python, it's a dictionary. Then how can I create an empty set? Well, the way that you can create an empty set is by saying empty set try to is equal to, just by this keyword set with parentheses in front of it. And now if I check type of empty set, it is going to empty set try this is a bit early in the morning. It's okay, there we go. Try to it's a set. So in the next videos, we are going to see how we can use sets, why they are useful, and how they are connected to other data types that we have learned so far.